Out here at Operation Hedgehog, the HIMARs battery is supporting our NATO partners with long-range precision fires. And we're also taking the opportunity to do some internal battery training, training some of our soldiers who are typically doing support functions and having them in the launchers and the launcher soldiers in the resupply vehicles to increase our battery's proficiency as well. It's good to get the HIMARs out in these type of environments. It's a little untypical than what we're used to in the States operating in. So it's good to get the soldiers comfortable in uncomfortable terrain and environments because if the nation calls and we're in some tough terrain like this, we have to be prepared to operate in all elements and all environments.